to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. SEC has gone after Coinbase and Binance, and a couple of other cryptocurrencies has been named by the SEC that they could be securities and not cryptocurrency assets. That will have a huge impact if they win the case against these cryptocurrencies. But what does it mean for the crypto volatility and price movement in the near term? Well, let's look at the charts. So, Bitcoin has been following this market making structure with a double top formation, first leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace, and now currently we could say that we are in a third leg down. And as soon as we go through the third leg down, the news in regards of crypto and Bitcoin is very bearish, since the SEC has gone after both Coinbase and Binance in the US. That will have a huge impact on crypto if they succeed with their plans of banning those exchanges. That could have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency market. However, that's somewhere in the future. As I said to you in my last day trading update, we need to break this low right here at 25.8k, close a 1 hour candle below that to confirm this last leg down. And as you can see, yesterday we did that actually when the news was released. We are currently in a last retrace to grab the last form of liquidity before we head to the downside. The next target to the downside could be at 25k. That is where the next volume candle, which hasn't been recovered yet, is. If we break that, we could go down to 22k. Break that, 20k and 19.7k is a probability for the market maker to move price to those areas, because we have a lot of open orders which hasn't been filled in that area. So let's just wait and see what happens. As soon as we get a double bottom formation of some kind in the middle or in the end of June, that is where price will reverse again in the famous market maker structure all over again, and the process will start over. You know the drill. So if you're in your shorts, you could hold on to them, because we have confirmed a scenario. This move to the upside here is just a shakeout to grab some liquidity. People will go long in this area because they see, wow, price is moving up. It retraces very quickly, and we could see a 25k Bitcoin during next week, probably. Not financial advice, but that is what I see in the charts. Looking at the news events, we have the unemployment claims coming out tomorrow, which could shock the market. However, next week we do have the CPI numbers coming out on Tuesday, and on Wednesday the FOMC will release its funds rate and the FOMC press conference. Everybody's expecting a pause, and we will see what Jerome Powell will do. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of money is residing around the 25.8k area or 25.7k area. That is also where a lot of people went long, and we have a lot of open orders in that area. So probability is higher that we visit these zones sooner rather than later. And as you can see, we have a cluster here at 25k, also at 22.6k, and also down here 20k. A lot more money is residing to the downside than to the upside. The next big cluster for Bitcoin to the upside is at 33k, and I think it's a long way to go there. So probability is that we visit these zones, fill those open orders, and then move away from there in a double bottom scenario. Not financial advice, that's just my view on this. Let's look at AVAX. Looking at AVAX, we can see that a lot of volume candles has been created in this move to the downside during the last couple of days. And if we zoom out a bit, we can see a bigger structure playing out. We have the double top scenario, first leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace. We're currently waiting for our last leg down. We could visit the $5 zone. That is where we could have a double bottom scenario. in order to have a confirmation of our last leg down, as you know, all coins are moving last, Bitcoin moves first. We need to break this level right here at $10.56. Break that, we have our next target to downside at least $9.4, or we could visit the $5 area because that's where the next volume candles are residing. So if you learned something from this day trading analysis, please like and subscribe. Remember that none of this is financial advice, and we will talk to each other in the next video. Big Boss out.